What's good, YouTube family? It's your boy Zay. I hope everybody having a great day today. I hope everybody's blessed. As you can see, I went with the Triumph HD 3 to 9 by 40. I got this for the 1022 because I just got a good deal on it. That's it. That's all. I was contemplating putting a red dot on here. I was seeing people say, put a red dot, put a scope, back and forth, back and forth. I did read you guys' comments, but I literally just got a good deal on this one, so I picked it up for the moment. I'm sure I will like it, but for the price I got it at, if I want something else later on down the line, I'll just grab something else. But yeah, this is the Vortex Triumph HD 3 to 9 by 40. That's a couple of the specs. If you guys want to pause, read that. If you are interested in getting this one or wanted to know the specs on it, there it is. Give you guys time to read that for a second. But yeah, let me open it up so you guys can see what's going on in the box. This is how it comes. Rings are included. Nothing special, but they should mount up to any pick rail, a majority of any pick rails. Two rings. Got the Vortex logos. Got some torque specs, 18 inch-pounds. Oh, if it'll focus. Yeah, so you got your rings. Guess I can take this out of the styrofoam now. Toss that. Don't need that. This is the star of the show. I did look through the glass in the store. Probably won't be able to get a good sight through it now, but glass is pretty decent. It is a Vortex. Vortex makes decent glass. It ain't nothing too crazy. I mean, it is for a rimfire. Comes with like a little sleeve to put over it once it's mounted, or I guess you could just keep it in here, but if it's on a gun, yeah. Anyway, y'all know, once it's mounted, you put a little sleeve over it, keep it safe. Protect it from dust and debris. Comes with some manuals. Looks like a Allen keys in here. Got a little wipe cloth. But yeah, I mean, it's nothing crazy at all. It's straight to the point, straightforward. I will mount it up on the gun, and I will see you guys. You guys, I have my optic mounted on my gun. I am all the way up here. And the target is right beside you guys. So this can either go one or two ways. If I got it sighted in, you'll hear a ding. And I guess if I don't got it sighted in, you may not see this video. So let's give it a shot. Oh, you heard a click. Guess I gotta put one in there. Don't have it sighted in. Okay, it can either go one or three ways. Gotta make some minor adjustments. There we go. I put it on the stand on the tripod. I didn't feel like holding it. It's so hot out here. I had to come in the woods to record the rest of the video. But yeah, I got her all mounted up, zeroed in. She's right where it needs to be. Yeah, man, this little Vortex op is pretty nice. It got good glass on it. Let's see if I can get y'all a little close up. What it look like. Mounted on there. Yeah, it looked pretty good, man. Came out here in the trail. Get the rest of the video recorded though. And it's super quiet too. Super duper quiet. Take a shot. Just shoot out there at a tree. Find me a good tree that I like. Yeah, like that thing super quiet. It hit right where I wanted to hit it. Yeah, man, you can't ask for nothing else. 1022, silence, good glass on it. That is it for today's video, man. Short, sweet, simple. I hope everybody have a great day today once again.